Hello, in this video we're going to be dealing with conjugates. Now the conjugate of a binomial, if we're looking at a plus b, the conjugate of that is a minus b. And the conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. So conjugates only apply to two-termed expressions, and really what happens is that the middle sign just gets flipped to its opposite. So in number 1, x plus 2, its conjugate is simply going to be x minus 2. In number 2, 3y minus 14, its conjugate is going to be 3y plus 14. So conjugates have special properties. When we multiply them, like we do here, something unique is going to happen. So I'm going to use my FOIL process. I'll do my distribution. So I'll do a times a to get a squared. Then a times the negative b is a minus ab. B times a is a positive ab. And then b times negative b is a minus b squared. And now, what we do when we combine like terms, a negative ab and a positive ab, they are opposites of each other. So if we add opposites, they cancel. A negative and a positive version of the same thing just go to 0. So we end up with just a squared minus b squared. So the big thing to note here is that when multiplying conjugates together, their middle terms are going to cancel. So in number 4, when I take x minus 4 times x plus 4, well, I can take x times x times 4, negative 4 times x, and negative 4 times 4. And when we add like terms, a positive 4 and a negative 4 cancel, and we just get x squared minus 16. In the last problem, 2n is going to multiply by 2n. 2 times 2 makes 4, n times n makes n squared. 2 times negative 11 is negative 22, still multiplied by n. 11 times 2n, both are positive, so it's going to give me a plus 22n this time. And then 11 times negative 11 is a minus 121. And again, when we combine like terms, this negative 22 and positive 22 are opposites. They're going to cancel. And we are left with 4n squared minus 121. And so that's it. We have that special product when we multiply these conjugates together. We'll do more in class. For now, we're done.